Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into what might just be the best electric toothbrush for braces currently on the market.
It's the Y-Kelin Orthodontic Electric Toothbrush, designed specifically with braces in mind. Whether you're new here or a longtime viewer, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more honest reviews like this one.
Let's jump right in. The Y-Kelin Orthodontic Electric Toothbrush is tailored for those with braces. Featuring a unique design that ensures thorough cleaning without compromising on comfort. It comes with 4 brush heads, 2 concave and 2 convex replacements, which are perfect for reaching those tricky spots around orthodontic appliances. Now, let's talk features.
This toothbrush offers 5 cleaning modes: clean, whiten, milder, polish, and massage. This versatility allows you to customize your brushing experience based on your specific dental care needs. The bristles are soft yet effective, with V-shaped designs that contour around braces to clean effectively without causing discomfort. Another standout feature is its IPX7 waterproof rating, making it easy to clean under running water after each use. It's a small detail that adds to the convenience of daily use. When it comes to battery life, the Y-Kelin toothbrush impresses. A full charge takes just about 2 hours and lasts up to 30 days with regular USETWO minutes each session, twice a day. That's impressive longevity for an electric toothbrush. Using the Y-Kelin toothbrush is straightforward. It has a built-in brushing timer to ensure you're hitting the recommended 2-minute mark every time. The handle is ergonomic, providing a comfortable grip even during longer brushing sessions. Compared to other electric toothbrushes I've tested, the Y-Kelin stands out for its specialized design. It's clear that this brush is engineered with orthodontic care in mind, offering a level of precision and effectiveness that generic brushes simply can't match. To wrap it up, if you're someone with braces looking to invest in a high-quality electric toothbrush, the Y-Kelin Orthodontic Electric Toothbrush should definitely be on your radar. Its thoughtful design, multiple brushing modes, and long battery life make it a top contender in its category. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And remember to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons here on Product Critique. Until next time, happy brushing!